Miguel.
It's morning time.
Huh?
It's morning time.
No, it's not. It's night time na.
I
go to daddy
love
na.
you.
Go to daddy na.
You're so mad. You're so, Mommy, so mad.
Oh?
Daddy. Daddy's not here.
Come on na.
You're so mad.
I know. Come on.
Why?
Daddy, let me get this.
You get mad.
No.
You
Come on.
get mad.
No, come on.
You get mad.
Come on.
You get mad.
You want, ano na lang, teacher, Miss Cruz na lang will teach you?
Yeah.
Come on, let's call Miss Cruz. I'm gonna call na?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, teacher, my teacher. Yeah, my teacher, young.
Come on, daddy na lang.
No, you,
You want Miss Cruz?
yeah.
Miguel wants you.
You will sleep
Daddy
beside
na
Miss
lang.
Cruz.
No.
She will get you to now na. I'm gonna call na, Miss Cruz.
Yeah.
Ay. You will sit beside Miss Cruz, ha?
No.
Oh, come on, let's study
You're
na.
so mad again. See? Call me.
Miguel!